Howdy ladies and gents, my name is Thom Gibson, and if you've been following this channel for a little while, you'll notice that I have had quite the variety of content. While the original intent of this channel was to be a reflection of what was going on in my classroom, I also had a ton of other videos that I wanted to make. I made filmmaking tutorials, I made travel videos, I've done fun creative projects that had nothing to do with education, all while still sprinkling in educational videos here and there. A couple months ago when I posted a video of my educational podcast, I got a comment along the lines of, dude, these videos are awesome, you need to focus on one thing. And he was right. I've been doing YouTube for nearly 3 years now, and I've seen the community that's been built around some of the other teacher YouTuber channels, and it's such an engaged community. There are other teacher YouTuber channels that have half the subscribers I do, but have way more views and way more comments on each one of their videos because they've built a community of people that are all about the same thing, education. In some cases, specifically high school English education or second grade education. This semester was the first semester I was teaching a YouTube video production course, and in the first few weeks, I talked to the students about the importance of having a niche, a focus, a target demographic for their channel if they wanted to see growth. And I had them reflect on who that would be. And as I was doing that exercise for my own channel, I was like, who exactly am I reaching out to? And am I actually creating videos with the audience in mind? And I realized I wasn't. And that's okay, because for a long time, I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna make the videos that I wanna make and have fun. But now I'd really like to actually grow this community and see what opportunities in the education space could come from it. But I also like making filmmaking and editing tutorials, and that's actually the stuff that's done really well on my channel. So I decided to start a second channel. This channel is now going to be focused primarily on education. I've even redone my banner. It says reflections from the classroom. I've already started putting out teaching tips videos and put up the first robotics video I've done in a long time. I'm going to continue putting the Thom Gibson Podcast, which is education focused, here on the channel, and really just have videos surrounding education. My second channel is called Thom Teaches YouTube. Having the YouTube video production class made this decision pretty easy for me, knowing that even if that channel doesn't really grow, the videos that I make there I'll be able to utilize in the classroom. From starting a channel to editing basics to creating thumbnails, growth strategies, filmmaking and audio and video tutorials. All the stuff that comes with creating content and growing on YouTube, I'm gonna do on that channel. I'll still do the occasional travel vlogs and keep that on this channel. And so I'm really excited about it. If you're one of the people that have come here because of the filmmaking tutorials and they've been helpful to you, I recommend hopping on over to Thom Teaches YouTube if you're interested in more content like that. And if you're here for the education stuff, thanks so much for sticking around while I kind of figured out what I wanted to do. And I look forward to growing this educational community here. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next educational video.